Now, Britain's car industry is facing a fresh trade shock after U.S. President Donald Trump announced new tariffs on imports from the U.K. and other European allies. The automotive sector, the UK's biggest exporter to the United States, now faces renewed uncertainty at a time when vehicle production is already at a 75-year low. Now, take a look at our next report for more details.
Britain's car industry is facing a fresh trade shock after US President Donald Trump announced new tariffs on goods imported from the UK and other European allies. A 10% levy will come into force from February 1st, with a further increase to 25% threatened unless Europe backs Washington's position over Greenland. For UK car makers, this revives fears of full-scale trade war just months after hopes that global tariff tensions were easing. The automotive sector is expected to be the worst hit. Cars are Britain's largest export to the US, excluding pharmaceuticals, which remain exempt. Vehicle production in the UK has already fallen to its lowest level in 75 years, weakened by existing trade barriers. Subdued domestic demand and a major cyber attack that shut down Jaguar Land Rover's production for months. Industry experts warn the new tariffs could lead to an immediate drop in US orders, with up to 25,000 jobs at risk across the automotive sector. Economists caution that if tariffs rise as high as 35%, the impact could run into several billion pounds, potentially pushing the wider UK economy towards recession. Car makers say they have little room to absorb further costs, with profit margins already thin. Passing tariffs onto US consumers risks higher prices and falling sales, while shifting production to the US is not feasible in the short term. Jaguar Land Rover, which relies heavily on the American market, may once again pause exports while the tariff threat plays out. With few immediate alternatives, the industry is now watching diplomatic efforts closely, warning that trade measures driven by geopolitical disputes could destabilize the sector. Business Bureau WION, World is One.